Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications from one of the state government university. And here the pay scales you are going to get for Professor 14, Associate Professor 13 and Assistant Professor 10. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And if your subjects are not covered here, please mention your requirement in the comment section. Based upon that one, definitely I will come up in the next video if I got any recruitment notification belonging to your requirement. Fine. So to get my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Unacademy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is Gauhati University. So appointment to various teaching positions under Gauhati University that you may check down in its official website. Okay, so here you may check down, if you scroll down, the recruitment or the placement notifications are there. So just click on this one and then you will be directed to this web page, guys. So here the Gauhati University, so click on this one and then the detail notification you will get. So we will see the details completely here. So how many vacancies are there and what are the different subjects, all these things we will check down, and what is the last date. So applications are invited from the Indian citizens for various teaching posts of professor, associate and assistant professor at the Gauhati University. And for detailed information, other terms and conditions, you have to visit the official website, and the last date of receipt of the filled in application form is 3rd 10 2021. That means October 3rd 2021. Okay. And applications will be received only on the Gauhati University working days, and the university will not be responsible for any postal delays. Okay. So it is the main thing. And coming to the you may check down, applications are invited on prescribed format from eligible Indian citizens for the following teaching positions to be filled up on a regular basis. Okay, regular basis. And the professor total 8 number of vacancies are there, and for associate professor 16 vacancies and assistant professor 14 number of vacancies are there. And coming to the pay scales for the professor academic level 14, 1,44,000 to 2,18,200 rupees per month. And the associate professor academic level 13A, 1,31,400 to 2,17,100 rupees per month. And coming to the assistant professor academic level 10, 57,000 to 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Right? So as per the UGC 2018 regulations, the qualification required for the assistant professor academic level 10 is PG in the particular discipline plus UGC NET qualification must be there. Okay, UGC NET or SLET or the CSIR NET qualification must be there. Okay, and coming to the different subjects and the post and the specialization and the number of vacancies under the reservation category, all these things are mentioned here. You may check down. So coming to the professor category, here anthropology, Sanskrit, physics, zoology, Hindi, ECT, history, these are the departments, and here the number of vacancies and the specialization. Okay, so all these things you may check down. Coming to the associate professor, computer science, zoology, Sanskrit, linguistics, Assamese and anthropology, English, education, electronics and communication technology, English language and teaching, Hindi, and Assamese and geological science. Okay, so these are the different subjects for the associate professor vacancies. Okay, and the remaining you may check down in this table here. And coming to the assistant professor category, so that you may check down from here starting from the 21. So geography, zoology, Sanskrit, Assamese, history, English, biotechnology, geological sciences and commerce. Fine. So these are the different subjects for under the assistant professor category. Okay. So the specializations as per the the vacancies as per the reserved category also mentioned here. So I may check down. And the minimum essential qualification as per the existing UGC norms, that is UGC regulation 2018. And UGC regulation additional issued in continuation to 2018, if any, will be applicable. And application form, prescribed application form may be downloaded from the GU website. Okay, and I will show you that application form also. And application fee and last date. The candidates will require to pay an amount of 1000 rupees in case of SC/ST, 500 rupees demand draft in favor of registered Guwahati University, payable at SPA branch GU as an application fee for the post. And the completed application in prescribed form along with the necessary enclosures must reach the registered Guwahati University latest by 3rd October 2021. So 3rd October is the last date, guys. Okay. The name of the post and department must be written on the envelope of the application. In all cases, 2 copies of application forms with all testimonials self-attested need to be submitted. Okay. So these are the points given here. So carefully you may check down, guys. And the candidates who are working, they have to produce a no objection certificate also. And coming to the application form, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you can directly go to this website. And here the application form is nearly 17 pages are there. So just once have a look here. You have to carefully fill up all the details mentioned here in the application form. Okay. So here, direct recruitment, application format for teaching and administrative post, direct recruitment. So general information, advertisement number and date, and post number and name of the post applied for, and which category you belongs to. Okay, and the details of fee paid and enclosed demand draft, and your name, address, date of birth, and your education. Okay, and particulars of NET, SLET or GATE, etc. if any you qualified, and subject in master's degree. Okay, and the name and address of the PhD guide. Fine. So these are all the length of the teaching experience at UG level, PG level, and the conferences attended. Okay, and your experience. Fine. And the name of the seminars or summer institute refresher courses. So like that, total 17 number of pages are there. So you have to check down carefully and fill up all the necessary details. Okay, and then download this copy. Okay, and attach whatever the necessary testimonials they are asking. After attaching, you have to send that one to the college address along with DD on or before 3rd October 2021. Fine. So to get the accurate and the more details, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you please check down, guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not there here, then please don't worry, guys. Mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification regarding your subjects, then definitely I will come up in the next video. Fine. So thank you very much, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows from the Unacademy side. If you are interested, you may listen. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also. okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.